In a previous video, we talked about garden projects and going vertical this year in order to save space, have better airflow, and honestly, just to make the garden easier to manage. Today, we're going to show you exactly how we installed a cattle panel trellis. He started by measuring how far he wanted the arch to fit in this space. Once that was marked, Keith added 3 T-posts for the outside of the arch distance apart. The T-posts are probably about 12 inches in the ground. He then carefully brought the 2 cattle panels over the fence. This was a little bit of trial and error, and I did have to help out a little bit because these were pretty heavy. Then he adjusted the cattle panels to align with the size of the raised bed that we have. The cattle panels do overlap a little bit, so he is adding some zip ties in to hold the 2 panels together. The zip ties that we are using are probably a little bit small for this project. We'll probably go to the store and get some stronger zip ties, but for right now, these are working. Now that the 2 cattle panels are attached, Keith is adjusting the panel in place. These are flexible, but they're pretty heavy, so it's going to take some time to get it just right. Once the panels are in place, it's just some minor adjustments to make sure the bottom of the arches align on both sides. We use zip ties to secure to the panels for each post. Then, just to be on the safe side, Keith reinforced the back fence with some additional T-posts and added more zip ties. He started at the top, then the middle, and then the bottom. You want it to be snug, but it doesn't have to be perfect. The plants don't care. Once the zip ties are done, we can start to add some plants. This trellis can handle a lot of weight. On the back side of the trellis is a small raised bed that's about 1 foot by 8 foot. We will add some green beans and probably some spaghetti squash later once the weather warms up. And on the front side of the arch, Keith has added some benches with fabric grow bags, and today I'm adding some sugar snap peas. It is a beautiful warm day and it's a great day to be outside. I'm adding the sugar snap peas on one side of the grow bag, leaving just enough space to add some flowers or something on the back side of the bag for later. I have actually wanted a cattle panel arch for years, so I am super excited about finally having an arch. I can't wait to see how the plants grow. I'm really looking forward to this. So that's it. This actually was a pretty easy project that really didn't take that long to do. And if you missed the last video where we talked about why we were going vertical this year, go check that out. And thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.